Welcome to ROAVR, where today we're going to be talking about our top 5 filming locations in Scotland. Play the music. So, our top 5 filming locations in Scotland, or more specifically, the Highlands of Scotland. Trying to pick 5 is a bit like trying to choose your favourite child. It's not easy. But I guess one of the ones that's right up there is probably going to be the Curragh on the Isle of Skye. If you've never been to the Isle of Skye, it is the most fantastically beautiful place. Regardless of the weather, there's always something to do there. And the Curragh is, well, it's a landslide actually, with a very, very sheer face and beautiful peaks. I was very lucky enough to be filming up there for various different projects, but I guess the best of those was Transformers The Last Night in 2016. We shot all over the UK, and that was one of my favourite locations. The light was just stunning, and we got ferried about in a helicopter, which was even better. But the Curragh is it's absolutely beautiful. It's right up there. I think next on our list of the top 5 filming locations in Scotland would be Staffin. Staffin is a small hamlet not far from the Curragh, right on the eastern side or northeastern side of Skye. The coastline there is just stunning. The beaches are pure white sand, and it's one of the only places in Scotland where you can actually see dinosaur footprints on the beach. So it's a particularly special place. We did a load of scouting there for the Harry Styles Sign of the Times video, and that's actually where it was shot in the end. So they were obviously pretty impressed with the aerials there. Where else? Glencoe, obviously, it's got to be right up there. The drive through Glencoe, from Tyndrum through to Fort William is just absolutely beautiful. Towering mountains either side of you. Again, doesn't matter what the weather, it's a really mystical, special place. People flock from all over the world there. ROAVR have been lucky enough to shoot there on a number of projects, VFX plates for features and dramas that have gone all over the world, and it's a special place to be, no matter what the weather. Where else? Coral Beach, again on Skye, near Dunvegan, on the eastern side of Loch Dunvegan. Coral Beach is beautiful. You could be in the Caribbean. It is absolutely incredible. The water is blue. It's called Coral Beach because of the white shells there. The sand is just amazing. Again, that was one of the locations we scouted for the Harry Styles video, and it is just an absolute stunning spot to shoot your production. Top 5. Where else? A bit of a curveball here for you. Strathnairn. Strathnairn runs sort of parallel with the Great Glen from Fort Augustus in the south at the end of Loch Ness by the Caledonian Canal, right up towards Inverness and then beyond to Culloden Battlefield. It's the route of the River Nairn essentially, and along Strathnairn there are several places which are simply stunning to film, and they're off the beaten track as well. So if you're doing something that, if you've got a shoot that's particularly sensitive, or you don't want to be bothered by members of the public, Strathnairn is fantastic for that. Beautiful panoramic views back towards Ben Nevis, and all the mountains around Fort William, and it's a really special place to be. There's a nice little knife edge ridge that looks really good with a runner going along it, and ROAVR has shot there as well. That's one of the locations that we've suggested for a number of productions. So that's our top 5. We'll have to do another one of these with the top 10 because we could go on forever. Anyway, Catch us on the flip side. Cue the music.